What if I told you that beneath the earth, in different parts of the world, there are some interesting, ancient underground cities? Shall we explore? Let's dive in. In the sun-soaked island of Malta lies an ancient temple dating back to 4000 BC. Yes, you heard right. The Halsaflieni Hypogeum, a subterranean marvel, whispers tales from a time long past. It's not just a burial site, but also a ceremonial avenue, resonating with the echoes of ancient rituals. The mysteries of this underground city are amplified by its unique acoustic properties, where every whisper becomes a symphony, every footstep an echo of antiquity. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Hypogeum is a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual beliefs of a civilization that vanished into the mists of time. It's a fascinating testament to human innovation, and a glimpse into the past that continues to intrigue archaeologists and explorers alike. As we ascend from Malta, we travel north to a place where salt isn't just a seasoning. Join us as we delve deeper into the hidden realms of history. Welcome to Poland, home of the Wieliczka salt mine, a subterranean marvel that's been in operation since the 13th century. Imagine a place where history, mystery, and salt intertwine into a labyrinth of chambers and tunnels. That's the Wieliczka salt mine for you, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Delving into the bowels of the earth, miners carved out over 200 kilometers of passages, creating a city beneath the city. But this isn't just any city. It's a world of salt, where even the chandeliers shimmer with crystalline formations. Over the centuries, the mine has evolved from a place of labor and toil to a popular tourist attraction. People from all corners of the globe flock to witness its historical and mythical chambers. Each one tells a story, a tale of the miners who etched their lives into the salted walls. And then, of course, there are the myths. Whispered tales of hidden treasures and lost miners echo along the corridors. Some even speak of a subterranean lake inhabited by a mystical creature. But are these stories fact or fiction? That's for you to decide. The Wieliczka salt mine, a place where history seeps from the walls and myths are carved into the very salt of the earth. It's a journey into the past, a walk through the pages of history, and a dive into the heart of mystery itself. From the salted depths of Poland, we journey across the ocean to the ancient tunnels of Mexico. Beneath the Pyramid of the Sun in Teotihuacan, Mexico, lies an extensive labyrinth of tunnels, whispering the secrets of ancient rites and ceremonies. These subterranean paths, a testament to a civilization lost in time, are steeped in mystery. The ancient city of Teotihuacan, once a bustling metropolis, now silent, still has much to reveal about its enigmatic past. The labyrinth beneath the Pyramid of the Sun is believed to have been a sacred space, used for rituals and ceremonies. Yet, the exact purpose of these tunnels remains a puzzle that has confounded archaeologists for decades. Some theories suggest that these tunnels served as a symbolic underworld, a place where the living could commune with the spirits of their ancestors. Others propose that the labyrinth was a physical representation of their cosmology, a three-dimensional map of the universe as they understood it. Despite the many theories, the true purpose of these tunnels is still shrouded in mystery. Yet what we do know is that they held a significant place in the spiritual and cultural life of the people of Teotihuacan. Every stone, every turn, every shadowy corner of this labyrinth whispers tales of a civilization that once was, of rituals performed in the depths of the earth, of a people reaching out to the heavens from beneath the ground. Leaving the mysteries of Mexico behind, we ascend to the highlands of Peru. High in the Peruvian mountains, the Qenqo Chico tunnel network hides within the larger Qenqo archaeological complex near Cusco. This intricate labyrinth, carved with precision, is a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the Incas. The tunnels served as a sacred site, a place where religious and ceremonial rites were performed. In these tunnels, one can feel the echoes of ancient chants and the spiritual energy that the Incan priests once harnessed. The purpose of these ceremonies remains shrouded in mystery, adding an enigmatic allure to the place. Each turn within the maze-like structure reveals more about the Incan culture and religion, making it a vital key to unlocking the secrets of this ancient civilization. The Qenqo Chico tunnels are more than just an archaeological marvel. They are a window to a bygone era, a testament to the spiritual life of the Incas, and a beacon of mystery that continues to captivate explorers and historians alike. From the heights of Peru, we descend into the deep recesses of Turkey. Imagine a city carved out of solid rock, capable of housing 20,000 people. Welcome to Derinkuyu, an ancient underground city in the historic Cappadocia region of Turkey. This is no ordinary city. It is a marvel of ancient architecture, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. The city is an intricate network of tunnels and chambers, carved directly from the solid volcanic rock on which the region sits. The architectural prowess of those who built Derinkuyu is truly astounding. The city boasts an elaborate ventilation system designed to provide fresh air to every corner of the multi-level complex. Water wells, strategically placed throughout the city, ensured access to fresh water for all inhabitants. And let's not forget the meeting halls, places where community decisions were made, where disputes were settled, and where people came together in unity. But Derinkuyu was more than just a city, it was a fortress. In times of danger, the city's inhabitants could retreat into the safety of their subterranean home. Giant stone doors, easily rolled into place, sealed off the city from potential intruders. These massive doors, coupled with the city's complex layout, made Derinkuyu a near-impregnable fortress. The creation of Derinkuyu is shrouded in mystery. It is believed to have been carved out in the 8th century BC, a staggering feat considering the tools available at the time. Who were these people, capable of such an architectural marvel? Why did they choose to live underground, and what drove them to create such an elaborate city? These questions continue to fascinate and perplex researchers. Some speculate that the city was a refuge from invasions or natural disasters. Others suggest it might have been a religious sanctuary or a hub for trade and commerce. The true purpose of Derinkuyu remains elusive, adding to the allure and mystery of this ancient underground citadel. From a rock-carved city to a subterranean temple, we've journeyed through time and space, uncovering the mysteries of 5 amazing underground cities, each a testament to human ingenuity, a testament to our past, and a testament to the mysteries that lie beneath our feet. What are your thoughts? Would you live in any of these underground cities? Check out this next video popping up on the screen on how it dives into a lost civilization in time. Subscribe for more amazing, ancient, and interesting stories, and see you next time.